In the following video, you'll learn how to first import a pre-formatted and written test file into Respondus. You'll also learn how to publish that test file from Respondus into a Brightspace course. And finally, you'll learn how to review the test once it's published in Brightspace. In order to complete the objectives in this video, you'll first need to make sure that you have already typed the questions out in a file using the formatting required by Respondus. If you need more information about the required formatting, scroll down to use the link in the video description below. You're also going to need the questions saved to one of the following file formats: plain text, rich text, DOC, DOCX, or CSV. To upload a quiz from a Word document into Brightspace, you'll first need to go through Respondus. Either use your computer's search function or the icon on your desktop to open up the application. Inside Respondus, you'll want to select the Import Questions option. In the new window that pops up, we'll want to first select the Type of File drop-down menu, and then choose the type of file your test is saved in. In this example, our test is in a DOCX file. Now, we need to select the file we're uploading. First, choose Browse, and then find the file on your computer to select it. You have the option to either add the questions in the DOCX file into another Respondus document you've already created, or create a new document altogether. If you create a new document, it's helpful to give it a specific name so you can identify it later. Respondus gives you the option to choose whether this will be an exam or a survey in Brightspace, as well as whether you'd like to add stems to each question on the quiz. Click Preview to see if there are any issues with the file you uploaded. In this example, I was given a warning regarding a single issue that Respondus fixed for me. You'll want to make sure and fix any issues with your file before continuing on. Click Finish, and you will then be taken to the Respondus Editor page. This page allows you to make further edits to the file you've now uploaded, including adding more question types such as multiple choice and true or false. Or you can also add questions you've already created from different files in Respondus. If you have no further edits to make, move on by clicking the Preview and Publish tab on the top of the page. If you click the Preview the File option, you'll be given an opportunity to review each question and make sure the grammar, formatting, and answer choices are all correct. You can click the Modify button to make changes if necessary, or close the window to continue. When you're ready to send the quiz over to Brightspace, click the Publish Wizard option. On this new menu, you'll first need to decide the type of publishing you want to do. In this example, we'll be publishing to a single course, but you'll need to sign into your Brightspace account to do so. First, we need to select the Add New Server option. Then, click the No, I want to enter the server settings manually option. And finally, click Next. This new menu first asks you for the URL link for your Brightspace account. Do this by simply logging into Brightspace and copying the URL at the top of the page. After that, paste it into the bar. Next, click Extract, which will grab the server domain for you automatically. In the description bar, you need to add a nickname that will be easy for you to identify the next time you transfer a quiz over to Brightspace. For example, you might use your name and the word Brightspace. Then, Respondus will ask for your Brightspace login information. This is the same username and password you normally use to log into Brightspace. If you're completing this on a personal computer, you might check the Remember My Password box to speed the process of adding quizzes for next time. Click OK when you're finished. Then, select Next. The new menu first wants to know which Brightspace course you'll be publishing the quiz to. Click the drop-down menu and then select the course you want the quiz added to. The menu also gives you the option to import the file as a Brightspace quiz, Brightspace self-assessment, or to add the questions to a question library. In this case, we'll be adding it as a quiz. You have the choice to rename the quiz before it is added to your Brightspace course, should you wish. Once you're ready, click Next. When the new menu says it has completed successfully, click Finish. The quiz has now been transferred over to the Brightspace course. Once in Brightspace, If you navigate to the Quizzes page, you'll find the test ready to go. Choose the Preview option, and then select Start Quiz, and you'll be able to check and make sure the formatting has transferred over correctly. Close the preview when you're done.